welcome back to my channel. I'm Mick, let's do it. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I have a couple of Ipsys here, August and September, and then I also have this one from Ulta that I ordered, which is super exciting. First, I have this Bang Beauty eyeshadow fours in the shade Smokey, and they look like this. Focus. These are actually really pigmented. I tried them out before, and then I tried to film it and then messed up on editing and it was just a mess, so yeah. And then I also got this Pixi by Petra blush duo compact in the shade Peach Honey, and I actually didn't really like it on my skin. It didn't really show up, which I was really disappointed about because it was really pretty as a swatch. Smashbox Studio 24-hour waterproof concealer in the shade Light, and I'm actually really excited about this because I have this in just a one shade darker and I really like it. I actually think this lighter shade will be nice for the winter time. I love this concealer so much, you guys. Like, I use it every day. It's ridiculous. So I have this Body Blur by, I don't really know what it is, but it looks like this. And the shade Latte, I actually didn't think it was gonna match because it says medium dark, and I didn't think I was medium dark, but then I put it on my arm and like blended it out and it matched. So we'll try it out. I don't really know what that product is, so we'll see. And then I did get an eyeliner. I use it a lot, so I don't have it in here, but this is the bag. Super cute and fun. I think it's a really nice bag for the end of summer. Good job, Ipsy. September Ipsy. And I haven't seen any of these yet, so I'm really excited about this one. Yes, I saw a spoiler for this. And I love this bag. It's so cute, you guys. Look at this. This would be so fun to have like your little touch-up makeups in your purse or something. Like, it's so cute. I just love it. Okay, so I get this little card. Don't know what this card's all about, so I haven't figured that out, but I do get a little card. And the first thing I have this cheek blush by it looks like this. And it's in the shade RSVP. It looks like a nice neutral tone. I'm really excited about that. I guess that's cute. Next, I have this City Limits Lush Eyeshadow Fire and Ice. This is what the box looks like, if you can see it. Reflective and cool looking. And this is a single eyeshadow by IBY. Looks like that's really pretty, like a silvery color. I really like that, so that'll be fun to try out. And then I have a highlighter from Morphe. Yay, looks like this, and this is in the shade Spark. My first Morphe product was actually the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette, and I love that palette, so I'm really excited to try more Morphe products. And now I have this banana lip crayon, it looks like. It looks like it's like a berry, dark berry color. Super pretty for fall. I'm super excited to try this out. I have this Numa Instant Fix. It's a leave-in protectant for your hair, which is awesome because everyone knows I need some with the way my hair is always all over the place. So that's awesome. That's my September bag. Super cute. I'm excited to try these. And last but not least, we're gonna go through my box. Yeah. This is actually the first time I ordered makeup online, and I'm super, like, normally I can just go into the store, but I actually go to school in a smaller town in my hometown, so I can't always get into the store. So ordering it online is a better option, and it was exciting. It was fun. Could be a problem later on, but alright, bubble wrap, yes. So, okay, and I got my receipt. Oh, sweet samples. So these are my samples. So let's check these out. Just so you guys know, this is gonna be like a lame package. I didn't order very cool stuff. Well, I got some Becca samples of their Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. Looks like some foundation. And then some of Tarte's Maracuja Seamless Concealer. Sweet. That'll be fun to try out. Those are my samples. And then I got 3 Ulta Beauty makeup remover wipes. I actually got some of these when I first started working there. For like free. They kind of like, if you work there, they give you like a free, here you go, thanks for working here type thing. So I got some of these and I actually really liked it, so I just keep going with it for now. They were 3 for $10, so I got 3 of them. I always run out like at the worst time, so I mean, stock up, right? 2 of these Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating for Dry Skin Energizing Coffee Super Eye Masks. And I got 2 of them, so me and my boo can do them together. Or I can just do 2 of them. I haven't decided yet, we'll see. And I got 2 of these 2-step nose kit Bye-Bye Blackheads. And then finally, almost done with the skincare stuff. Yes to Ultra Hydrating Energizing Coffee Bubbling Paper Mask. I thought that bubbling would be maybe fun to try. I want to see his reaction to a bubbling mask. The thing I'm most excited about is this Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics. There's 25 eyeshadows in my eye on this palette for so long, and I actually have a like big plan for this palette. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like on the inside. Super pretty and reflective. Kind of that psychedelic vibes. I'm super excited. I think I'll probably do some swatches, and then you'll definitely be seeing a first impressions video with this palette coming very, very soon. That is all of my new makeup that I have. Alright, well that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. See ya!